Hey everybody.
Hello.
So today is a very special day. It is Zach's gotcha day.
It's been 10 years since we got him.
Cannot believe it.
Crazy.
Time flies.
We just turned 11 in July.
Yeah.
So we're gonna celebrate today.
Yeah, we're taking them out. They don't know. We're gonna take them to our favorite little, we call it our secret spot.
Our secret spot.
Here in the Smokies in Gatlinburg. And we're gonna, we made some sandwiches to take. And we're just gonna have a good afternoon and we're gonna surprise them. So let's go do that right now.
Let's go.
Open the door and then we're just gonna tell him who wants to go bye-byes. Hey, so who wants to go bye-byes? Who wants to go bye-byes in the car and go to the park?
Who wants to go to the park?
Who wants to go bye-byes and go to the park?
Do you want to go to the park?
Does Zachary want to go to the park?
Zachary, can you stand still? Stand still. You want to go to the park? You want to go to the park? Yeah? Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go to the park.
All right, they're loaded up and ready to go. I'm telling you, they're gonna be wore out before we even get there. That's usually what happens.
He's already panting.
Yeah.
We brought them plenty of water.
Yes. We doubled up on the water. Let's go.
Let's go.
There he is. Oh, he's giving me kisses.
Ooh, we ready to go have some fun?
Excited. They're probably already exhausted. It doesn't take much for them to tire out.
Puppy's day out.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
You excited, Code?
Zach,
Zachary.
over here. You see the dog. You see the dog over there. Alright, let's go.
Let's do it. All right, we're headed to our secret spot, but we're right here by the Mountain Brothers General Store, where we just put out a video with all of their fall decorations. They have a lot more, so I think we were like a couple days too early, but it's really, really pretty. So definitely, if you haven't checked it out yet, check it out. Here's some of the glamping tents they have from the Heavenly Roast. We have a video there. We talked about that's a new setup they're gonna have, a glamping resort. So yeah, make sure to check out our previous videos if you have not. But definitely General Brothers, they have a lot more fall decorations up. So now is the time to head over there. But we're headed to our secret spot. I love we say secret. We showed you guys this place, but we're excited.
We haven't shown them.
Oh, we haven't showed them.
No.
Oh my goodness. You are right.
That's why it's a secret.
We've been there a few times, so I just assumed we filmed, but we have not. Oh my, are we really gonna give this away today?
It's not that big of a secret. There's plenty of them.
For real, they're like literally everywhere you pull over. But we'll take you to our
in Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
Yeah, Gatlinburg. We're on the hunt for some fall leaves.
We're on the hunt for some bears.
And bears.
We did see a
and
bear.
Lions and tigers, oh my.
We did see a bear not that long ago. We weren't filming though.
Yeah, there's not much fall happening yet. You can see a couple little yellow leaves here and there, a little patch of orange. But I can't wait because I remember last year, it like happened overnight. I remember we like drove to Gatlinburg and it was green, and then like a couple days later we drove and it was orange. So I can't wait for that. Us Florida girls, we love a season change. But we're headed towards Metcalf Bottoms. This is where our secret spot is very close to there. And the dogs are stoked. They're breathing heavy. Zachary, it's your gotcha day, Smack. You excited? Yeah. He's so cute.
Ooh, this is the scary tent.
Oh, yeah.
Just missed all the
Oh, I'm sorry if I'm making anybody nauseous. It's not an easy ride. It's also not the worst either, though. Anybody nervous about getting...
It's not fun driving through here in the dark, though.
Oh, yeah, that's a whole other animal. A whole other animal. But yeah, it's not definitely not the worst path we've taken in the mountains. But it is beautiful. And we're happy that the weather, the high is... Right now it's 76, so I'm all about... Oh, there was a little orange. Did you see it?
Did you see it?
Did you see it?
There's a little red up here.
Yeah, little patches here and there. So we'll take it.
This is a one-way bridge.
Yes, this bridge right here, it's tight, one way, no buses, trailers, big trucks, motorhomes are prohibited.
No RVs.
Yeah. So we just gotta wait our turn. Hi, motorcycle man, stay safe.
Here we go.
It always reminds me of the safari at Animal Kingdom at Disney.
The bridge?
Yeah, it always makes me think of that, but quite gorgeous. You got creek on both sides. This is a wonderful park, Metcalf Bottoms. We have a couple videos here. It's a great little picnic spot. You can hang out for the day. Free parking, you don't have to spend any money. Pack your own lunch, and you can just hang out in the creek. But we're headed, normally we go left here to head to Gatlinburg, but today
we're still going left.
We're still going left? What? I thought we go this way.
No, right is the sinks.
Yeah, I thought
We're going to the same.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, sorry. Just pay no attention to the girl behind the camera. Good thing I'm not driving, right? Always. This is why Kim doesn't let me drive. I have zero sense of direction.
This is one of my favorite beautiful parts of this drive.
It's gorgeous.
I love it.
Gorgeous.
So it's just a little ways down after you turn at Metcalf Bottoms. And we're gonna pull up to the side of the creek and have our own picnic lunch by ourselves.
I hope the dogs can make it down there.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see.
So, as I always say, stay tuned. So we just passed our first pull off.
That's the second one.
Second one right after Metcalf Bottoms.
Our fourth pull off is the one we're gonna go to.
I'm trying to do my best of, number three. I'm trying to do my best of holding the camera steady.
I think that was it.
You sure?
I think we passed.
I'm pretty sure we do this every time we end up turning around. Or is it this one?
No, I think it was that one.
Okay, well we're gonna turn around here. Alright, we did our little U-turn. Now we're headed back. It's honestly like the only area that you can pretty much walk down and get very close to the creek. So, I mean, obviously when you're looking, just look for something that you feel like you can navigate down. Everybody's, you know, accessibility is a little different. I'm worried about the dogs getting down here. Especially Cody's already wore out.
This is it. Somebody's at our secret spot.
Oh my gosh, they caught on.
Oh no.
Yep, they caught on.
We need to tell them to leave.
Dun dun dun, right? They don't know the secret password.
Okay, we made it. The people that were pulled up here just left. They just stopped by for a second, but this is our secret spot. Aaron's got both the dogs in our chairs.
Like we're going to the beach.
And look at this creek. It's so beautiful. So nice out today. But we just gotta walk down. There's a little path here and you walk down. Alright, give me a dog. Alright baby, let's go this way. There'll be plenty of stuff to pee on down there. But it's a little bit of rocky terrain. So it's definitely not handicap accessible or anything like that. Come on babies! Let him go. You have the... Yeah, there you go. She had the leash lock. Come on, Zachary. You loving this? Puppy's day out.
And me.
Go on, Codes. Let's go. They're loving this. This is the adventurous stuff I love to do outside in this beautiful weather. We're just hoping that there's no bugs. We come across no snakes, there's no spiders.
All I care about is spiders.
And then we'll be good. We made it all the way down. Cars parked up there. Here's just a little bit of trek. I had to lift the dogs over this little tree limb right here. But it's so peaceful here. There's these little rapids here. Sounds amazing. We've taken a dip in here before too. It's getting a little cooler now though. The water's pretty cold.
Yeah, especially because it's not 90 degrees out. So
Yeah.
last time it was super hot.
We bought these leads to tie up the dogs. Hopefully we don't come across no bears. Alright, we're gonna take a dip, see how cold this water is. Well, we're gonna take a toe dip. Woo! It's freezing. I just went tubing the other day too. It wasn't too bad. This feels freezing. Cody, gonna go in the water? Are you gonna go in the water? Oh, these are their cute water bottles we have for them.
Cody prefers to drink the creek water anyway.
Yeah,
Which is not okay.
Don't drink the creek.
We do not want him to, but he prefers puddles and creeks and toilet water over fresh water.
So I think this was like the third turn off after Metcalf Bottoms, I think.
But you can clean, how we know is we always see all this brush here.
Yeah.
And then the little fall that's right, the little creek fall
The little
that's
falls,
right here.
yep.
But we always see it once we're like, oh, there it is. See the third or fourth turn.
Our dogs are not the biggest fans of water, but normally if it's like a shore like this that they can walk in, they'll like walk into it. But they're not feeling it too much today. It's not yet. Maybe they need to get a little used to it.
So Cody just jumped up on our little beach table. He just jumped on up here. He thought it was like the couch or something. Can you see him? Cody!
Cody.
Cody! Oh my god, how cute though. He was just like, that's for me? So this is our setup. We got our chairs, our little camping table. We used to use this little table when we go camping all the time. We haven't used it in so long. Our camping chairs. Our camping chairs. And we're at beach chairs. We got some little beds for the dogs to lay on. Cody was just laying on it before he jumped up on the table like that. Was crazy. But we're about to eat our sandwiches with this beautiful view. I love this so much. I love Tennessee. Obviously this is not the only spot like this. There's so many spots where you can pull off all along the creek. This is just the one that we found that we love. And it's, yeah, ton of shade, secluded, pretty quiet other than the road noise a little bit. But it's not bad. But it's not bad at all. Because the creek is so loud. Yeah, the creek is so loud that you can't hear. Just like a boys. Yes. Y'all are so cute, babies. Yes, you are. Alright, we are gonna eat our sandwiches. But before we eat, the babies want to eat, right? You want some cheese? You want some cheese since you've been a good boy? Cody, you want good boy cheese? You've been such a good boy, he don't even care about cheese.
Oh, he's in his element. He loves being outside.
Yes, he does.
Zach is not.
Zach?
Does not.
He wants the cheese.
Whatever we do.
Yes. He just wants to be where we are. So that's a good boy. Cody, you want cheese?
Oh, you want some cheese?
This is unlike Cody.
Cody. Get cheese, Cody. Get that cheese. Oh, it's over there now.
He's feeding the bears now.
Cody. Cody.
Zach said, I'll take it.
Cody.
That's a good boys. We call this their good boy cheese.
Yeah.
Here's our sandwiches. That's for me, not for you. We made Philly cheesesteaks last night, so we had some leftover rolls. We got salami and turkey and cheese and some lettuce, mayonnaise. We eating my favorite sun chips, the garden salsa ones.
Good.
How is it? Yeah? Picnic by the creek. I'm so happy. The dogs are loving this. I'm having a great time. Like, this is such a beautiful spot. And we have it all to ourselves.
Look up at the tree. So cool. Up it, Jay.
It's just beautiful. So relaxing. Like if we had like some hammocks, we could just tie them up because there's so many trees. And then just take a nap. Our sandwiches were really good. It's great that you can pack any kind of picnic you want. Make your little own like portable charcuterie board.
If you need like a picnic table or like a grill, then go to Metcalf.
Yeah, but if you're just, yeah, if you can pack a picnic.
Chairs, there's plenty of rocks.
For real, there's quite a few rocks, even like right over here. Like you can sit along this little bank too. So, and then there's a lot of like big old trees down that you can even sit on. So you don't even have to bring anything. You can bring a blanket, but it's just so nice. You can just make a stop of it or make a day of it or whatever you want. That's why we love it here so much. Like for me, it's the best balance coming from Florida, missing the beach and enjoying the mountains, but to have the creeks and you can just kind of have your own kind of beach day and be by the water. It's pretty amazing. Aaron's trying to get Cody to go in the water. Go get Mama. Go get Mama. Go get her. Go save her. You can do it. Good boy. Stop drinking the water. He loves drinking any water that's not his clean water from home.
Zachary, you want to come here?
Go get Mama.
Cody.
Go get Mama. And yes, we both call each other Mama to the dogs. Somebody asked that comment. Yep, we're both Mama. We are both the mamas. Go get Mama. Go get her. Or not. Oh, yeah. Is it Chilico?
Very uneven ground.
He's so brave.
How far are you gonna go?
He's so brave.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a good boy.
He's so handsome. Does that feel good? Yeah.
That's cold, huh?
Zach's like, I don't know what y'all are doing, but I'm just gonna stay right here. Come on, Smack. Zachary. Come on. Come on, Zach. Good boy. Yeah. Cody's like, I'm trying to get on this rock. It's not working. Come on. Come here. Yeah.
That's a good boy.
That's a good boy.
Such a good boy. Yes, you are.
I don't know if they're enjoying today or are we torturing them? I don't know. Maybe a little bit of both. Good boys, but it's just we could not take advantage, not take advantage of today. It's not super hot. It's great. Like, it's beautiful. Tennessee is a pretty cool place, right, Code? You having fun? Yeah.
No matter how busy Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge is, there's always places that you can get away.
Get away from the crowd, definitely. Pull-offs literally everywhere, even when it's super busy. You can, if you just have, you know, you take your time, you can literally find a pull-off anywhere and really get to enjoy it and not have to be in the hustle and bustle if you don't want to. So we love that part. You can be as crazy and poppin' as you want, or you can be as chill as you want.
Alright, so we got out of the chilly water and now we're gonna try to take a little walk down the rocks here in the creek with the babies and explore a little bit and hopefully not drop the camera. Are you having the best gotcha day ever? Yeah. I love you so much, baby.
I'm proud of him. He's exploring more than I thought.
Yeah, he's exploring all around. Aaron's playing with Cody. He's so cute. We love it here. For sure. Come check this spot out, guys. Wow. Cody's getting frisky in the water. What's that, Cody? He's so freaking cute. He's like 12 and a half now. Go, Cody. You're going to get taken away by the current. Where are you going? Are you scared?
I gotta go save him.
Cody. He's fine. He's adorable.
Turn off the camera.
He's fine. Come here, Coach. Zachary's following you. The camera's gonna die. Come here, Coach. He's having the time of his life today. Come on, baby, let's go back. Come on. So this is our secret spot here in Gatlinburg, on the way to downtown Gatlinburg. It is so beautiful and peaceful here.
And I feel like this kind of like little island kind of looking thing is what our giveaway is. And we always see this as we drive by, we're like, oh yeah.
There it is.
And then we turn around, which is kind of good too because we want to be facing this way when we leave anyway.
Yeah.
So it works out.
But also if you come here, do not leave any trash behind.
Nothing.
Take everything with you.
Like you left no trace is the whole idea here.
Yeah.
So make sure you bring all your garbage, even paper towels, napkins, things you think, bring it all. Don't leave anything here, please. That's how we keep the Smoky Mountains
Beautiful.
beautiful. So we just got home from our wonderful adventure at our secret spot in the Smokies. And we told Zach that he had one more treat left from his gotcha day. So who's ready for some ice cream?
Who wants ice cream?
You want ice cream? Cody literally passed out as soon as we got home.
Yeah, they're so tired already.
He's ready for a treat.
Did we get any ice cream? I want a treat.
Yes, we have ice cream for later too.
Oh, yay.
Alright, good boys. You ready? Here we go. Here you go.
They love their puppy ice cream.
They do. Good boys.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today. We had
so much.
a great day.
It was awesome.
It was literally so much fun. The boys had so much fun. They were so adventurous. I'm so happy we
know.
took them.
I'm so proud of Cody, especially like even Zach, like he was like once he was comfortable, he was ready to just like check everything out.
But they will never go into the pool or anything like that. But once they have water that they can walk in themselves and then get a little more comfortable, then it's easier for them.
Yeah, and it worked out today. It wasn't too hot. It was like perfect weather for them. So they got to hang out for a while.
They're going to town.
We enjoyed our picnic. But again, thank you so much for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Hit your notification bell so you can see all the fun things we're up to. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.
Bye.